21st century, Alaska wild fish oil, Mega Omega-3, 90 enteric coated soft gels. Product overview description. Mega Omega-3 1950 mg fish oil per serving 1350 mg of omega-3 per serving. Heart health may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Gluten-free dietary supplement, guaranteed quality, laboratory tested, GMP, current good manufacturing practice. Enteric coated to avoid upset stomach, aftertaste and reflux. Supportive but not conclusive research shows the consumption of EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. 1350 mg, total EPA/DHA omega-3 per 1 serving. Easy to swallow, smaller soft gels. Heart health, daily support. No fishy aftertaste. Guaranteed potency, purity, and quality. Mega Omega-3 guaranteed potency. Concentrated fish oil omega-3 fatty acids. Exclusive process to preserve whole oil omega-3 concentrations. Omega-3 fatty acids help support healthy heart, joint, immune, skin, brain and memory and nervous systems. Pure and safe. Non-farm raised. Free from harmful toxins. Naturally stable with antioxidants, which prevent transitivity. Molecularly distilled. Quality. Tested for quality. Enteric coated soft gels to prevent reflux and fish burps. Odorless. Suggested use. As a dietary supplement, take 3 soft gels daily with any meal or as directed by a healthcare provider. Do not exceed recommended dosage. Individual results may vary. Other ingredients. Gelatin, glycerin, water. Contains 2% of ammonium hydroxide, ethyl cellulose, medium chain triglycerides, oleic acid, sodium alginate, stearic acid, vanillin. Contains fish, anchovy, cod, herring, mackerel, salmon, sardine, spret. Ingredients. No added sugar, yeast or artificial colors. Warnings. Consult a healthcare provider prior to use if pregnant, nursing, on medications, have a medical condition or are planning a medical procedure. Stop use and contact a physician if adverse reactions occur. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if product appears to be tampered with or seal is broken. Store at room temperature. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.